Just relax. A very beautiful, nice place. Lavanda.
Yes.
Is it true you gathered all this by yourself?
The tea ceremony.
Wow.
Fresh, yes.
Super.
And relax. Есть интересная трава, называется синюха.
Super, super relaxing. Gorgeous house. Реально очень вкусно. I want to try. When I will come to you, what I will take. Guess where we came? We came to a very beautiful, nice place. And today welcoming us Svetlana. Svetlana, tell us where we are.
Nice to meet you, Olga. I'd like to welcome you on Pizma house. This is a place where I started to make a deal with preserved flowers.
Wow, great. And I know that here in Pizma house you have girls party. By the way,
Yeah.
I especially wear today t-shirt girls,
Wow, that's
girls.
cool. That's great.
Especially. And I know that mostly girls, we are all tired from a rush of the city. And if you would like to reset and come for a relaxing tour, yalla, come. We will show it to you together with Svetlana. Wow. Yes. You have gorgeous house. Did you know that all these flowers, and by the way, here is more than 145
Yes, exactly.
variety, right?
Yes.
Is it true you gathered all this by yourself?
Yes, all flowers I grow up in my garden, and after when they start flowered, I bring them here, this space,
And like
and
to dry them, yeah?
yes, and all of them smell good. Yes, you see.
Guys, I cannot explain you, but and show you this how it's smelling here, but the smell is like
Fresh, yes, and
super
relaxing.
fresh, relaxing, and like like you are somewhere very far. You just want to stay here and enjoy for a while. Just switch off from the old city rush.
Yeah.
Svetlana, if I would like to come to you to a master class, what is included in retreat program?
Before we start to work in this space, creating different composition from dried flowers, I offer my visitors to have a route in the forest.
Wow.
When we learn different reset techniques, how start to feel yourself better, how to smell, how to feel the winter on the top of the trees, etc. So through these techniques we became feel yourself better and start to feel yourself like we are when
Let's
we are
say
born.
it's a relaxing tour to the forest where all group coming together, sitting somewhere, feeling the wind, feeling the sounds of the forest, and just relax.
Yes,
No
relax with the
other
nature.
sounds that could annoy and disturb you. Just nature sounds.
Yes, exactly. After the forest walk, we go to estate Pizma Dom, and of course, all people are hungry, and I offer them a dinner. The dinner I prepare yourself from the veggies and grasses from our
From your farm, let's say?
Yes. After the dinner, we go to my art space and start to create the composition in these pots using all these dried flowers and grasses.
So who is coming for your masterclass? They can just choose
Yes.
what they like,
Yes.
keep in the pot,
Yes,
and they can take a pot with themselves home?
Yes, exactly. They can put this pot.
I already choose.
Go to the
When I will
houses.
come to you, what I will take.
So now I welcome you to taste the tea ceremony. There is many flowers and grasses you may choose, and the main idea of the ceremony is to save the memory through the smell and taste,
Wow.
not through the photo, for example.
I want to try. Here Svetlana told me that I should choose first of all the base for the tea. Today I'm taking Ivan chai, and of course I should add some tasty flowers, and I chose today 3 types. It's roses and 2 more, so let's see what the taste I got today. You want to know what I feel? After every retreat day, I feel super relaxed. Guys, I really enjoy it. You know, here far from the city, like atmosphere, village place, near forest, all these flowers, Sveta hospitality, and of course, if you wanna try her food, trust me, it's something amazing. She is cooking like a god. Too much tasty. I don't know how to explain, but everything I tasted here, all my time I spent it here, was super, super relaxing. Sveta, thank you so much. That was a big pleasure to stay with you for 1 day, and you show me that much.
You're welcome.
I feel myself like with the new wings behind my back. I appreciate, and for sure I'll come back.
Nice. Thank you for your visiting us.
Thank you.